Okay. So this is it. Welcome to our fireworks party. I'm just going to have a scan through everybody. All sitting in the warm. There's Barbara. Say hello, Barbara. Hello. And there's Lily Pie. Hello. Here's Bradley. Say hello, Bradley. Hello. I'm going out here. This is Dave. He's a bit cheeky. And this is Joe. This will be on Facebook tomorrow.
Hi, Tracy. Lovely food.
Do get it up. You see it there.
Emily, you going to say hello? Hello. Hello.
The pawns are a bit crumbly.
Yeah. Actually, Bradley, you're my son. You shouldn't comment on my food.
I've always done some of that talking on the thing.
This is our fireworks.
The nuclear bomb.
That's even a rather... Listen, how many blokes are up there doing them fireworks, isn't it?
52.
Look, they're all up there, aren't they?
Who's a naughty dictator? Holy naughty dictator. There's only one way to find out. Bye.
Gemma, say hello. Matt, say hello. Is he alright? We've got some imps in there, if you don't... Say hello. Say hello. Put a dum-dum out your mouth. This is Gemma. Hello. And that's Boo, for anybody that's on Facebook. Don't know who he is now. This is going on Facebook tomorrow, you do know that. This is Tracy. She's on Facebook too. How many men can we get to light the fireworks then in one go? Oh, that's over there. Oh, look, that's gone right over There's Phil running down like a girl. Say hello to the camera, Phil.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, that's Bradley again.
You wish to face. You wish to face.
No, we're not going into gibber.
Jugular, you wish to face way at this powerful.
Oi, shut up.
Someone up there, I've got about 10 rockets for the country going.
Yeah, none of the out of the window with the light on. She's a right nosy old. Really? Yeah. Yeah, well. She's seen my backside on quite a few occasions. Oh, I see.
Or should we do that as a finale? That'd be the finale, that big one.
There is a finale thingy, Diggy. That's a finale thingy, isn't it? No, it's not.
This one here, isn't it? Well, that looks pretty. Well, let's do those at the same time. Big rocket. Give me this one, give me one. That was well lit.
Got great sound effects going on here, haven't we? Ooh. Not the kids, is that?
I'm our comedian voices. This was my Simi impression.
No.
Simi impression of Dennis voice. Simi, I mean, do go young. Do you fear death or what will you?
You're talking rubbish.
No,
what's my curry like?
Crumbly paws and that's it. Simi, I mean, do go young. Do you fear death?
Crumbly prawns. Did you hear him?
No. Where is the naughtiest dictator? Napoleon or...
How's Jamie getting on?
Darkness is in the fields.
Emily really liked it the other night, actually. She had a really good time. Oh, it's all gone quiet.
RPGs, watch out. Jolene, was it Cherry? Was it T and Johnny?
Going.
Rocket's on, going. What's it, Rocket? Warhead. Warhead, 1 off. Right, take it slow, Warhead's off.
Now, we've been down you too, Lance. You alright?
There's your Warhead.